FLIP means Floating Instrument Platform. Floating Instrument Platform FLIP is an ocean research platform owned by the US Office of Naval Research and operated by the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. The platform is 108 meters long and is designed to partially float and pitch backward 90 degrees, resulting in only the front 17 meters or up to 55 feet of the platform pointing up out of the water, with the bulkheads becoming decks. When flipped, most of the blast from the platform is provided by the water at the depths below the influence of the surface waves. Hence, flip is stable and most immune to the wave action, similar to a spur buoy. Now let's talk about the history of the flip. The Marine Physical Laboratory of the Scripps Institution of Oceanography created a flip with the funding from the Office of Naval Research and the assistance of the Commercial Naval Architect from the Gluston Associates. Flip was originally built to support research into the fine scale phase and amplitude fluctuations in undersea sound waves caused by the thermal gradients and sloping ocean's bottoms. The acoustic research was conducted as the portion of the Navy program. Development started in January 1960 after the conversation between the MPL Research Frederick Fisher and MPL Director regarding the stability problem that Fisher was encountered when using the submarines as a research platform. A species recalled a suggestion from the Alan Wynne that appending a ship might make it more stable based on the Wynne's observation of the Navy mob floating in the waves. Fisher was subsequently assigned to work on the feasibility and late development of such vessels. Let's talk about the capabilities of the flip. Flip is designed to study the wave height, acoustic signals, and water temperature and density, and for the other collection of the meteorological data. Because of the potential difference with the acoustic instruments, flip has no means of propulsion. It must be towed up open water when it drifts freely or is anchored. Flip is 700 gross tons. It carries a crew of 5 plus up to 11 scientists. It is capable of operating independently during a months-long missions without resupply. It can be operated around the world, although it normally operates off the west coast of the US from a home based at a Scripps Nemes Marine Facility in San Diego, California. The ship has a specially designed interior. Some fixtures such as toilet seats can flip up to 90 degrees and has shower head are curved about 90 degrees. There are overhead lights on the surface that are ceilings in both the towing, horizontal and flipped orientation. If you like the video, please